She'll be coming around the mountain. She come, where she come? She'll be coming around the mountain. Hey, boom crew, we're back up in the mountains. Whoop, whoop. As you saw before, we had a whole bunch of problems. One, we had the tow hitch put in. It wasn't plugged up by the dealership. Way to go. And then, you see that leaking water? Yeah, we paid for this RV to be winterized. That means you take out all the water. And pulled over side of the road. We gotta tighten up the sway bar. Let's go. What is this, choose? So yeah, but we're back on the road and let's go. Water.
Are you cold? It's funny. We can't see the gas prices from here.
It opens up in the back. A little bit of a choke point.
What's that?
Like it's tight link. Sorry, like between this house. Oh no, it's wide enough.
And you sure need to turn here?
Yes.
And not up there?
I didn't go up there. Let me see.
Where are the hookups?
On the wall back here. Let me just look. Oh, wait. I didn't walk this way. These are outlets. Right here on the grass.
So now I'm going on the grass?
Sorry, I didn't see you.
We haven't slept in an RV since it got winterized, so we'll see how this turns out. We left the trailer attached to the truck and did not use the stabilizer jacks. So, when the wind blew, it rocked us back and forth. On top of that, that fireplace did not keep us warm. Needless to say, someone woke up a little cranky.
Hey, Toya. Where are you? Wait, hold up.
The stuff inside our trailer.
I'll tell you about being here harassing people.
You said have fun.
What kind of work you guys are doing? What work you haven't done on it?
Y'all know how important family is, so we made a detour.
How about now? I'm done. I'm done.
It was a video, not a picture.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1.
The most. Is there like a science center?
Yeah, you take it off the bone. So
This camera make sure your head looks like so.
That's how it is.
Have you done this before? All right, never mind.
Why would you do that?
It looks like chopped barbecue. Is it hot?
It's hot.
Oh, you got it on your mouth. Oh, your little wing thing failed.
It was the gloves.
Is it burning your lips? You want me to wipe it off? Because that's extra.
Is it good though?
Yeah. When you're done, I'm going to dip a fry in it. Are you hiccuping? Mm-hmm. Let me just. Hot stuff make you hiccup?
Well,
How many are left?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what happened. In that last bite of that wing. Anyway, being willing to let people see you snap in front of everybody.
How much is left?
That's it.
Oh. Oh, man. He needs some milk.
I'm gonna need that milk.